Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one of the best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the faucet website. This faucet website pay you Dogecoin and 25 times claim per day. Every 5 minutes you can claim your free Dogecoin from this website. Okay, and this is all the claim rewards, and you can see this website pay 100%. Okay, and it's very easy to claim. Go to your faucet pay, go to deposit, copy your Dogecoin wallet address and come here, paste. Okay, this one is a Dogecoin wallet address. Come here and paste the Dogecoin wallet address and just click login. Just solve this little captcha is 1, 3, 2 and 6, and come here, solve this one. And this one is a car. Just click the cars. Okay, and go to next one and go to check. Okay, and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay account. This is very easy way to earn free cryptocurrency from this website. This website link available in description. You can see this much Dogecoin I earned from this website. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and you can find this website link in description. Bye bye for now.